Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll unbox this package which I brought from Looplube India, which is a chain cleaner and lubricant for bicycle, which is made in India product. The packing of the product is very nice. It has packed very well. I have never seen like this packing. This is a chain cleaner and chain lubricant which is for bicycle. The price of this product is 683 rupees. The 650 is for the product and 33 rupees is for the delivery charge. Now let's open this package. This is a chain cleaner from Looplube India. This cleans the chain very well. I will make the video on cleaning the chain soon. To check the product is original or not, you can scan this barcode and check it. This is the max efficiency lubricant from Looplube. This lubricates the chain very well and gives maximum efficiency of the chain. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos and unboxings like this. So, thank you.